Welcome back. What's up, you guys? I am going to talk about Magnite, the stock symbol MGNI, as you can see on my screen right now, which gained some momentum. I saw some action in the stock. I was planning to post this video tomorrow, but I think this is the right time to post so people can take an advantage. This is a great stock to invest. The stock was up 4.14% today. As you can see, when the Dow Jones was down by 200 points, this stock went up. So I wanted to share my research, what's going on with this stock, my thoughts, and whether you should invest or not. If you like this video, click the like button. Subscribe to my channel so you get this kind of videos on time and you get a chance to invest before the stock goes all the way up. I think this is a great stock, and I'll talk about this stock, what the company does, their valuation, and why this stock started going up. As you can see in the after hours right now, the stock is up 15% at 31.25. Right now, the stock price is 27.14, and I think this is one of the reasons why I'm posting this video today instead of tomorrow, and in hope before it goes higher than what it is right now. And if you want to take an advantage, just buy this stock for a short term. I'm not saying go crazy, and see how that's working out for you. Now, what is Magnite? And I found really good information in my research. So as you can see, let me just click on this Wikipedia link. Magnite is formerly known as Rubicon Project. That is an online advertising company. Now, Rubicon Project was originally founded in 2007, and then in 2009, the company raised $33 million. So this is the history. Since then, the Rubicon Project was working pretty well. And as you can see, in 2019, Rubicon Project and Telaria announced a merger. While the two businesses initially fell under Rubicon Project and operated as two separate brands, the company rebranded under the name Magnite in June 2020. And the merger made Magnite the world's largest independent omni-channel sell-side platform. So basically, they're working with publishers. They did some acquisitions and they acquired some small companies in 2009, 2010, 2012, as you can see right here, and 2013. And this company has been doing pretty good. Now, based on my research, as you can see once again, Magnite shares gained 11% after Needham adds to conviction list. And it also raises the price target. Now, this is one of the top pick for 2021 for Needham, and they added Magnite to its conviction list, replacing Apple. Pay a little bit of attention here. They replaced Apple. Now, when they replaced Apple, that certainly means that Needham might have seen a lot more gain in a very short term in Magnite, MGNI. Now, one more analyst, one of the top analysts, Laura Martin, noted that Magnite is running about 12 months behind Trade Desk. Now, Trade Desk is one of the leader company which has similar business as Magnite or Rubicon Project. They're working in digital online ad space. So once again, analyst Laura Martin notes that Magnite is running about 12 months behind Trade Desk and the firm's top pick for 2020 in terms of market share and growth. Martin also mentioned that key upside value drivers in MGNI in 2021, in our view, include a strong rebound in macro, GDP and ad trends, B, rapid CTV growth, and C, strong fundamentals momentum, and D, multiple expansion potential. So in general, the business is doing pretty well. It can only go upwards while people are watching a lot more online content, both for display and video. As you can see, they mentioned CTV growth here as well. And people have more and more devices that they're spending time in front of. Needham maintains a strong buy rating target from 18 to 30. What I'm saying here is from 18 to 30, sort of like it is almost at 30, at least in the after hours, it crossed 30. But 30 might not be just the end of the story, and I'll tell you why. Because what this analyst noted here is it is running 12 months behind from Trade Desk. Now, if we think about Trade Desk is a TTD. So as you can see, the Trade Desk on my screen, as you can see, Trade Desk is trading at $971. Now, what I wanted to show you is the market cap of Trade Desk. Now, Trade Desk's market cap right now, as you can see, is $45.6 billion versus MGNI's market cap is only $3.03 billion. So $3 billion practically versus Trade Desk, whose market cap is 45 billion. So there is a 10x kind of a growth in terms of market cap. Now, if one of the top analysts is saying that Magnite is only running 12 months behind based on their view, these four things that they mentioned, based on their view in the trend, digital ad trend, CTV growth, fundamental momentum, and expansion potential, 10 times might be a doable gain in terms of market caps. If you only think 5 times, it'll be $15 billion, maybe like by the end of next year. So we are looking at 5 times growth for the market cap for Magnite. Their business, once again, their business is strong. The analysts are saying that there is a lot more growth potential based on some of the drivers that they have found out. Needham is giving it a strong buy rating. They also replaced their conviction list by replacing Apple, which is kind of a big thing in my opinion. And it already started showing some potential spike. It already spiked up. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this video today instead of tomorrow. And I hope this helps you. And once again, if you compare this with Trade Desk, the company is pretty small at the moment. One more thing about Trade Desk, I wanted to quickly show you the chart of Trade Desk and see how fast they grew. So if you take a look at 1-year chart, Trade Desk was only $193 later this year, and it spiked up to almost $1,000. So this is what we are talking about when we see 10x growth. For Magnite, it might not be 10x. It might be like 5x, might be 2x. I'm not sure. I'll keep you all posted as to what I find in my research. One more article I wanted to show you, and that's how I found out that Magnite got a lot of traction as well. One of the analysts is 67% more bullish this month than the last month. Shares of advertising technology company Magnite were gaining again Monday after the company received an upgrade from a prominent analyst. As of 1 p.m. EST, Magnite stock was up 11%. Inclusive of today's gain, the stock is up 40% in last week and up over 300% in the last 3 months. Let's take a look at year to date. The stock was pretty low, was trading $6 or $7 or maybe $10 last month in November. It was trading at $9. That spiked up. It is already up 300% as I mentioned. So from $9 to $27, 3 times up. But this is, once again, this might not be just the end of the bullish run. It may run a little bit more, and it may be double, but I wanted to share it with you guys. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. I wanted to share what I found in the hope that it'll help you make more money. Subscribe to my channel to get this timely updates next time when I post this kind of video for a stock that can help you make money the next day. Hit the like button. Thanks all. See you soon.